What up?
Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And me, it's Mike.
From the Hides to Disney. We have a new hotel room to show you today.
Yeah.
It's not, well, it's new to us. It's not actually a new hotel room, but.
Yeah, we've never been here, so.
Yeah, so we're staying in Coronado, and so we're not in a tower, so we're just in a regular room, so we're gonna walk in right now with you guys. Dun, da, da, da. A light switch. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, yes! Okay, this is all I care about. Somebody let me know where I can buy this artwork, because I need it. Okay, anyway, welcome to the room. Here it is.
There's some more lights on.
Yeah, let's take our masks off, and I really like this. Like nice long desk dresser. That's very nice. The room has been redone recently-ish because they've got the nice hard floors. Laminate floors, I should say. And the beds kind of have that same look that like Pops has, but it's not a Murphy bed, they're just regular.
Hey, look.
Hold on. Yes, Mike?
It has sinks that are normal height.
Oh my gosh, when we were at Contemporary, the sinks were literally like here. Yeah. And the whole thing were sinks.
You got a shower cap. You got a vanity kit. You got body lotion. I miss the orange stuff. Sea salt, soap.
Well, anyway, they left us Mickey towels. That was very kind of them. I'm obsessed with this artwork. I did no research on this hotel before, except for knowing about like the tower. Literally, do you think that they will let me take this home with me?
Nope.
Well, I would ask them. I wouldn't just take it.
Doesn't come off the wall.
You got your health and safety reminders, which Mike is going to immediately change this to my favorite thing in the world. What did they do? Where are my Disney Channel music? They got rid of my channel. What gives, Disney? Bring my music channel back with the park hours. That's all I care about. All right, anyway, so here is nice full-length mirror. Hello, I'm still in my work clothes from today. You got the nice sliding doors here. Whoa. So that'll slide closed. Those are nice.
Oh, hey, look.
Oh, look, it's us. Welcome, Hyatt family. Here I am again. So very, like, the new Pop Century rooms. You've got the nice tall, this one's actually very tall. I feel like this is way bigger than the one we had at Pops. Got more cabinet space over there. We're only staying for a night, so we won't need all of this. And then you got the bathroom with the nice, oh my God, I'm such an idiot. I'm like trying to slide it. It opens this way. And of course, you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So there we go. Here we are.
We're here.
We also have now officially completed our first room tour.
Yeah.
I tried it when we stayed at Disney Springs, and
we didn't fake it either.
No, this was literally our first time coming in.
Yeah, we didn't stage it. We literally, this is our first time coming in. We didn't fake it like half people do.
Yeah, where they bring their luggage in first. So that was our first view.
Who am I?
You're Woody in Toy Story 2 when he comes out of the box.
Oh, it's too hard, it hurts.
Good morning.
What's up?
We are checking out the resort this morning before we go to the parks. We go in studios today and hopefully park hopping. We'll see how that goes. But we're gonna go get some breakfast and just kind of look around the hotel. It feels very
Spanish?
Yes, thank you. It reminds me a lot of when I went to Spain. Even though I think it's supposed to be more like Mexican and like South America Spanish. I don't really know. I don't know the backstory, but judging by the fact that 3 cabs is and everything, I'm going to say that it's probably
South America.
South America. However, it also reminds me of a larger version of French Quarter. If you've been to French Quarter and you have been to Coronado, let me know if you agree with that, because that's how I feel.
If you like French and you like quarters, you like the French Quarter.
And if you like beignets, you'll like it. Mike reviews hotel food. How are your hash browns, Mike?
Cold. Well, cold, but not hot. Triangle looks like a Dorito. Tastes like just like the one you get at McDonald's.
I was gonna say it looks like the one you get at McDonald's.
Everything's grab and go, so they just have it all made kind of like a, almost like a rest stop. You know how the rest stops already have like little sliding slots, which
I have a 7-Eleven.
Yeah, 7-Eleven. I think Disney should do that more. That's my personal opinion. This would be better service for them, especially in the park. But
Especially Contempo Cafe. Oh my gosh, they were so slow.
yeah, they're awful. But first thing, it's not cut in half. If I was cut in half, it'd be the nice thing to do.
Wow, you really have just had a hard time with them cutting food this year.
Oh my gosh. I'll have a little bit of egg with my bacon.
Okay, but that actually looks really good.
This is
I know.
a lot of egg. No, it just tastes like standard hotel eggs.
Wrapped in a burrito.
It's like,
It could probably use some gravy.
no, we need some salt. Like salt and pepper. It's like when you get mass produced eggs, or when you mass process eggs, this is probably eggs in a bag, and they put them in the bag and they have a weird, like a texture to them. Almost like a film. There's preservative in it, and it's weird. Is it the worst thing I've ever eaten? No. But I can come back for these? Nope.
But if you were staying here and it was your option for breakfast, would you eat it?
It was my only option. Absolutely, I would eat it. It'd be fine. But it's like it's missing. Like I'm at Coronado Springs. Either I grabbed the wrong burrito, but there should be something a little bit more like flavorful, like some fire roasted poblanos or something with a little bit of heat in it. It would just make it so much better.
I, however, went super basic and got French toast sticks and sausage. Do you want to know why I had to get French toast sticks and sausage? Because they don't have Mickey waffles. What gives? I'm salty about it. I really wanted Mickey waffles this morning. So, note to self, if you want Mickey waffles, do not come to Coronado Springs because they do not
Can you
have
put some of that salt on my burrito? Thanks.
Nice. So I just got French toast and it came with sausage, which I'm not a huge sausage fan, so I'm gonna just let Mike eat it. Might actually help out his burrito. But the French toast sticks are fine. They just taste like French toast sticks. So, Amanda and Mike review Disney Resort food.